Welcome to our video tutorial on how to perform appraisals. First, let's navigate to the Sales App record where we want to add the appraisal. Then click the Create Appraisal button on the top right. Now in the New Appraisal section, enter the VIN number of the vehicle. Click on Decode to retrieve the vehicle information. Next, you can enter the trim level of the trade-in and click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully created the appraisal. Now let's assign values to the trade-in. Click on the pencil to edit and select the appropriate type from the drop-down menu. Then enter the odometer of the vehicle and select the condition. Now fill in the appraised value, asking price, ACV, reconditioning, anticipated retail price, and vehicle notes. If you have a CarMax account set up on location, you can go to the CarMax tab and insert the VIN number and select what report you want to run. Lastly, if there's any payoff for the trade-in vehicle, you can add that information in the Payoff tab. Click New and enter the loan payoff name, payoff amount, payoff expiration date, and fill in the appropriate bank information and payment method. Once done, click Save to complete the payoff information. And that's it, you've successfully added an appraisal to a Sales App, assigned values to the trade-in, and added payoff information.